guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the April regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So Ipsy is just a monthly beauty subscription. It does cost $12 a month for this bag. They did raise it a few months back to $12 from $10. Then they do have and you do get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes you get full. And then they have the Ipsy Plus, which is one of my favorites. And you get 5 full-size products. And then they have the Ultimate for $50, which you get 12 products in total. And 8 of them products are full-size, and 4 of them are deluxe size samples. And with every bag, or every subscription, you get a bag, which will range from small, medium, and large, depending on the subscription that you get. So, I've been with Ipsy like forever now, and I absolutely love them. Every month you get a cute, fun bag. That is like one of the most things I like about it. Always getting a new bag to throw in my purse. And I do get all 3 subscriptions. The Ipsy Plus is my favorite so far. And I really do like the little Ipsy regular bag. Right here it is this month. It is purple. I think we got a green one and like a pinkish color. I love these. They got the little wooden zipper thing on them. And they do have Ipsy burnt like in the wood. I just adore these bags, and I think they are so cute. We do have one item out of our bag, and it is the Murad Step 3 Moisturizer Hydration. It's oil-free, non-grease, and it is 7.5 milliliters, which is 0.25 flow ounces. I really like Murad. I think they're a really good skincare company. I have some collagen. I have some eye cream. I have some other stuff, but I really, really do like them. And right here is our sample. And it is this pinkish gel. We'll see what it feels like. It don't really have a smell to it. It does feel really, really good. I like the texture. Maybe a slight smell. Nothing like overpowering. Okay. So, Full Bloom is the theme this month because we're going into spring. And the flowers should be blooming soon because April showers bring May flowers. And here is the card. Tell us what we got. We don't need to look at right now. Okay, so second product, the Nomad Cosmetics. This is Tuscany, and it is an intense eyeshadow. They are cruelty-free, and it's got a velvety, soft, and blendable shimmer. Rose Quartz eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with grapeseed oil for long wearing color, and it's free of all that nasty stuff. Okay, so I got a lot of these, and here she is. They do feel really, really good. I don't have this color. I really, really like that. So it's like a rose quartz color. I really do like it. I can see myself wearing this, maybe even as like a highlighter. Okay, so our next thing is by Havea. And this is a 15 milliliters, which you're getting 0.51 flow ounces. And it is a 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. Now, I've seen a lot of companies in the last year or two, or probably 2 or 3 years, put gold in their stuff. Now, there is no proven science behind that gold really does anything for our skin. There's an article I was reading the other day, and they said, you know, it's not really something that is proven that gold is going to do wonders for our skin. It does feel really good. It really don't have like a smell to it. It's very subtle. But I do like it. I love a good mud mask. And minerals always help your skin. Okay. Then we got the Hellos, I don't know. Okay, so this is a smart nail polish. Now, why is it smart? I don't see that a nail polish is going to be smart or anything like that, but we are getting 0.5 fluid ounces, which is 15 milliliters. A normal size bottle of nail polish is 15 milliliters. Some companies do 10, some does 12, but normally the ones I buy is normally around 15 milliliters. It is a very pretty color. I do like that. It's a professional nail polish. And why is it smart? Okay. It's called Living Lovely. It's a smart nail polish with a photo interior for a gel-like look and long wear time. This formula cures in natural light with no need for UV or LED lamp. Combined with Hellos Luminous top coat with extra shine for the maximum wear time up to 10 days. Then it gives you tips. So I do think it's a really pretty color. So it's like purple. Purple is my favorite color though. So anything purple I'm going to think looks pretty. That's why I love this bag. They match. Okay, so our last item already. This is LCB in the color Fosta. I'm assuming it's a lipstick. And see, this is what I'm talking about, full size. I got 2 full-size products in here, being the nail polish and this lipstick. So for like getting 2 full-size products in the bag and 3 samples is really good. Ooh, that's really pretty. So right here, I've not ever used LCB, but I do think I got lipstick on, but it is pretty. It feels really creamy. I do like it so far, but you know, I don't know yet. Okay. Is this bag really worth $12 though? I really do like this. So, I mean, this is like super cute and I will use this. And the nail polish is retailed for $12.50. And if we was going to buy this in a full size, you can get the full size version of this product, which is 13.5 grams, which we got 1.5 grams, so way off. But if you was going to buy a full size, it'd be a pretty good size pan, and it'd be retailed for $27. And the Havea, this is a sample, and you get 50 milliliters in it. We only got 15 milliliters, so we're way off there. Their full size is worth $58. But I really, really like Havea. I think they're such a great skincare company. Everything I use of theirs is always been like right on. Their lotions, it just leaves your skin feeling so good. Okay, so the Lovecraft Beauty, I have used Lovecraft. I didn't even think about LCB, but I've not used their lipsticks. This is a deluxe size sample. So they're saying this is a deluxe size sample. It does not look like it. The full size version of this product is 4 grams. Now, I don't know how many we got, but to me, this is like a full size lipstick, and I thought it was. So it is $22, and we got net weight being maybe 3.8 grams. So we're just barely off here. And then the Murad. I know this is a deluxe size sample. The 4 version is 50 milliliters. And it is worth $60. Now this one is only like 7.5 milliliters. So, but I mean, this is almost full size. To me, this is a full size lipstick. I wouldn't have thought that it wasn't by the size of it. And this is full size. So to me, this bag was like really worth it. Is it my favorite? No. I do like the lipstick. I do like the nail polish. But for somebody like me, I do join these subscription boxes, and I know sometimes I'm going to get nail polish. I don't really like getting nail polishes because I have so many nail polishes. It is something I don't even want to show you guys. I have probably roughly 5,000 bottles of nail polish, and I'm not joking. I have every color there is, and then duplicates. So getting any more like nail polishes is something I really don't need. But I do like my nail polish collection, so you know that will just go in it. So, and I don't know, with skincare, I don't really like getting skincare. The mud mask is one thing, but like this little sample of Murad, you're not really going to know if it's going to work for you or not because it's too small to really tell. And so I don't like getting that. So I will give this bag like a 3 out of 5. It's a good bag. It's just not my favorite. I did like the eyeshadow, so like these all three get a point. And I give this like a half a point because I just don't like getting really like deluxe size samples because they really don't tell you if it's going to work for you or not. It does take roughly around 6 weeks, sometimes more, to see if something's going to work for you or not. Sometimes I've seen it take almost 2 months to tell if skincare is really working or not. Skincare is something you got to start and stay with and invest the time in it and doing it every day to see if it's really going to work for you or not for a long period of time. But I am happy with the bag. I will repaint my nails probably tonight or tomorrow. But I really am happy with it. I do like the lipstick. It's a color I would wear. It's a nice nude color. I can wear it with anything. And if you guys would like to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you know when I upload, which is every Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. It's every Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. And sometimes we do bonus videos like when the subscription boxes are coming in. But I guess that's it for now. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.